Your brain lies to you every single day, and you believe every word. Here are 5 lies your own mind tells you and the science-backed way to catch each one. Number 4 rewrites how you think about free will.
Lie number 1. Checking your phone first thing is harmless. It isn't. That single scroll before your feet hit the floor sets your brain's anxiety level for the entire day. Here's what's really happening. In your first waking minutes, your brain releases a natural surge of cortisol called the cortisol awakening response. It's meant to gently prime you to face the day. But when you flood that moment with notifications, headlines, and other people's lives, you hijack that surge and spike it into stress before you're even out of bed. The fix is simple. Keep your phone off for the first 10 minutes after waking. Let that cortisol peak naturally, get some light, and your baseline anxiety drops for hours.
Lie number 2, you need motivation before you can start. You've had it completely backwards. You sit there waiting to feel ready, and the feeling never comes, so the task never gets done. Here's the secret your brain is hiding. Dopamine, the chemical you think of as motivation, is mostly released after you begin and start making progress, not before. Motivation is the reward for starting, not the requirement. So stop waiting, do a 5-minute version of the task, badly if you have to. The moment you start moving, your brain releases the very motivation you were waiting for, and momentum takes over.
Lie number 3. You procrastinate because you're lazy or bad at managing time. Wrong. Procrastination isn't a time problem, it's an emotion problem your brain is hiding from you. When a task feels boring, hard, or uncertain, your amygdala, the brain's threat detector, tags it as a tiny danger. To protect you from that discomfort, your limbic system overrides your rational prefrontal cortex and pushes you toward anything that feels better right now. You're not avoiding the work, you're avoiding a feeling. The fix? Name the emotion out loud, then commit to just 2 minutes.
Anxiety.
2 minutes is small enough that your amygdala stops sounding the alarm, and once you start, you usually keep going.
Lie number 4, and this one is unsettling. You believe you're in control of your own decisions. You might not be. In famous experiments, scientists watched people's brains and could see a spike of electrical activity called the readiness potential up to 7 seconds before the person consciously decided to move. Your brain commits to the choice before you're aware you've made it. You don't have as much free will as you think, but you may have what researchers call free won't, the power to veto. Here's the trick that actually works. Instead of relying on willpower in the moment, design your environment ahead of time. Remove the junk food, hide the phone, lay out your gym clothes. Decide once when you're calm, so your brain's automatic choice is already the right one.
Lie number 5. Waking up at 3 a.m. every night is random. It isn't. Your brain scheduled it. In the second half of the night, your sleep gets lighter, and your body releases a small rising wave of cortisol to prepare for morning. Add a dip in blood sugar or a late glass of alcohol, and that natural light sleep moment tips you fully awake right around 3 a.m., night after night. The fix? Keep your sleep and wake times consistent so your cortisol rhythm stabilizes, and avoid alcohol close to bedtime. If you do wake, don't check the clock. That only spikes stress and cements the pattern.
5 lies, 5 fixes, and a brain that's a little more honest with you now. If even one of these changed how you see your own mind, do this. Like, follow, and subscribe to see more tips and tricks.